Hello everyone, this is Frank. Today I just want to tell you how to tell if neoprene is real. So there are 4 different parts, and this is the white neoprene, this is the black neoprene, and this is the white foam, and this is the black foam. So nowadays, many people buy their own, such as the beach bag, neoprene lunch bag, and the laptop sleeves. But on the market, they have some fake neoprene. So today, I just want to tell you how to distinguish it. Okay, first, I just want to introduce you the white neoprene and the black neoprene. Of course, they are the same raw materials with different colors. But on nowadays market, the white neoprene is more expensive than the black neoprene because of the manufacturer cost. So also the white neoprene is always used for the neoprene lunch bag, neoprene backpack, neoprene beach bag, and so on. And also the black neoprene is sometimes we used for the neoprene laptop sleeves, can coolers, surfing board bags, and so on. Okay, second, this is the foam, the black foam and the white foam. Foam is always used for a bulk promotion. So as for Casewee, we do not use the foam to produce the products because it is easy to tear them and do not have a good shape. You can see, do not have a good shape. So that's why we do not use it. And this is the foam. So at the following, I will show you how to tell if a neoprene is real. Okay, the first we can weight them. I choose the same thickness foam and the same size of the foam and the neoprene. So let's check the foam. Okay, this is the foam, about 40 grams. This is the neoprene, about 120 grams. So the same size and the same thickness neoprene and foam, the distinguish of them is the weight. So that's why the neoprene is so durable, because it is more weight. Second, as we all know, the neoprene products and the foam products is the combination of the fabric, 2 fabric with neoprene and the 2 fabrics with the foam. So let me tell you how to distinguish them. So this is the neoprene. You can tear them down, and you can see that the neoprene has already glue on the fabric. But this is the foam, and you can see it has already separate. This is the blue fabric, and this is the foam. So they separate, but the neoprene has already glue on the fabric. So this is the neoprene. Third way, when you tear them down, and you can smell. Smell. So the foam smell do not good. It has a strange smell. But the neoprene, it is okay. So when you buy a neoprene bag and or foam bag, so you can distinguish them by smelling them.